Okay, this is the web front end for the Telebrite. As you can see, this is running in ATEM mode. We've given it a name which is camera 1. It's connected to this Wi-Fi right now. Given it a device ID which should match the input that you want to pair this with on the ATEM. Status is connected, which means it's connected to Wi-Fi. And the tally status is in preview, and then you have the brightness, which is the current brightness, and we can kind of real-time increase or decrease this all the way down to a minimum of 10, maximum of 250, so any value in between. And this in real time changes the brightness of the device, and you may want to change that depending on the ambient brightness of the room, to make sure the device is visible, easily visible, and not too bright for the setting. In addition to that, we can go into configuration, where we can set up the mixum IP address. If we leave it to blank or 0.0.0.0, it auto discovers the ATEM mixer on the local network. The device name is what we gave it before, so let's say we want to change this to input 2. I'm going to say camera 2, and I'm going to change this to device ID 2 as well, and it's picked up the current brightness. And let's say I want my default to be 50, and I'm going to go and save this. It's going to immediately apply that to the device and save it in the non-volatile memory, so that when it restarts it remembers that. So since I changed the device ID to 2 and that input is inactive, you can see the tally status has gone to inactive here. And if I go on to the switcher and preview input 2, you can see it's showing preview. It takes a little bit of time to show on the browser itself because that's not priority, but on the device itself it's instantaneous. And if I go and do an auto switch, it goes to program, and then again it should go back to preview. So this update here takes a couple of seconds depending on a number of things, but the device itself updates immediately. So for whatever reason, if we want to reboot the device, we can go into reboot. It's going to ask you to confirm, and if we press confirm, it's going to go and do a reboot. It's rebooting. See the status there. Send error status not connected, and now it's saying it's connected. In addition to that, we can reset the device for whatever reason. If you wanted to reset this device, typically if you wanted to configure a different network address, network SSID immediately, you probably factory reset, or you're going to give it to somebody. But to do that, you need to type in confirm. This won't allow you to submit without typing confirm in there. You can cancel out of that. If for whatever reason it does not connect to the Wi-Fi that is configured, it would automatically time out and enable the captive portal to configure the new IP address in any case. So this is just a belt and braces, or if you wanted to kind of lose a configuration of this particular device. So yeah, this is a nice, neat user interface for the device itself. It's kind of a prelude to some of the other features that I have in the pipeline to really enhance the capabilities of this tele device and some companion devices to it. That's it for now.